So I've got the wiring figured out for this engine, and there's a lot of good diagrams out there. I'll put these up on the end of the video, or I'll at least put a link to where I got them. But what I figured out with this Lifan based SSR engine is this. We've got the factory wire harness coming here, and then this rectifier and harness are from T-Bolt USA. Here's the part number for the rectifier and the harness. Just makes things easier. Off of that harness, the black one I'm not using because it's a 4-wire. The red one goes to a fuse in the battery, ground obviously. And then over here it's basically just color match, white to white, green to green, yellow to yellow with the factory harness. This one, which is kind of a light blue with a red tracer, that is the neutral safety switch. That's right here. What that does is when it's in neutral, it provides a path to ground. So if you've got a light, like a green light, that you want to have lit when it's in neutral, you provide power to that light all the time, and then the ground for that light goes into this one, the light blue with red stripe. That way when you're in neutral, the switch activates, this gives it a path to ground, lights the light up. You put it in gear, there's no path to ground, the light goes out. I am going to use that because I'm using 2 engines in my project and I need to know that they're both in neutral. So then the CDI box has a wiring harness. You can see how I simplified this one. This is what it looks like out of the box. So out of the box it's actually got 2 blue with whites for the trigger, and then it's got a black with red tracer, and it's got a green. I'm not sure if I need that green, so I left it in my simplified harness, but all of these are for kill switches. So I took these 2 off and I kept this one because I'm using a generic one. So you can see my simplified harness here. This will go to a kill switch. Just something to click them together. And then, well, yeah, obviously I need this one. This one will go to ground. And then blue with white to blue with white. Black with red to black with red. Now, obviously, I figured out in my head now, I've got kids running around the house and I was a little distracted. But this one needs to go to ground so that when you make this loop here with a kill switch, it has a path to ground. So that's the wiring for it with a battery. If you do not have a battery, you won't have any of these things. And what you can do is, if I find the right diagram here, if you don't have a rectifier, some older bikes will actually run an AC light. You can just take the yellow right here and put that to your headlight. So and you got to be careful because if you don't use a rectifier, it's unregulated power, it's AC power, and you need to have the correct bulb for that. But I'm going to use DC power, so I got this. It was cheap, came with a harness, made it very simple. So that is the wiring for this. So I'll go ahead and next I'll post up a video of how to simplify that harness.